welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Instagram story from everyone at once. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram, click on your story. So I'm going to post a story. So for example, this one, click on next, and here you can see sharing option. So if you want to share on Facebook, so I do not want, so I want to cancel and click on share and click on done. So once you complete this step, click on your story, click on three dots. Here you can see in the bottom, here you can see different options. You simply need to go on to the story settings, and here you can see hide story from close friends. So here you can see that there is currently no option that you can hide from everyone. So how you can hide from everyone? So you simply need, here you can see hide story from, click on that, and here you need to add the all the peoples that you want to hide story from. So you can select all people at once from here, and after that your story will be hidden from those people. So this is the only method possible. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.